Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will talk about the variable. What's a variable? It is a container uh, which is used to store data values. We accept them to write in this way is 2 or -3 like this, only the value, the data values. We usually use a variable to contain the data types, the data values. It looks like this. Variable name, for example, here is average underscore age. This is the variable name. There's an equal sign is an assignment operator, we call it. Then the value, this is the data type. It can be a integer, a string, a boolean, or the complex number. Let's see example. For example, we create a student file which include something like this: name, the Jack Smith. This is a string, so we use a quotation mark. Yeah, you can use single or double quotation mark. Sometimes we even use triple quotes. We will talk about this in later lecture. There's the age 25. This is a integer. Height is 175.5. This is a float. And the grade, the average score, for example, here is 85. Is an integer. We have a 90, a b 80. This is the boundary. If a score greater than 90, then belongs to A. That means also B. We use print. We print the name, but here I just use name. Then we use a double quotation mark or single quotes. Looks like this. Yeah, the results, you see, it looks like this. Name, Jack Smith. If you omit this, it will just show Jack Smith. So this is why I use this. And also age, you see, the age 25, height, mean, like this. Here, grade A, if it is grade A, the grade has to larger than this boundary score 90. Grade B, if the grade is larger than B. You see, the results is grade A false, grade B, yeah, true. Then it belongs to grade B. This is Boolean. Yeah, false or true. Yeah, this is an example about the string, float, integer, and the Boolean. Let's just open the here. I already opened. From here, we are just new file. Then we just copy this, yeah, to save time. We just go to run module. For the first time, if you click, it asks you save it. Okay, then it asks you to choose where you want to save. Yeah, we can save it into the folder we created in the previous lessons in D here. Yeah, it all according to your computer. Maybe you create this folder on other drive. Yeah, but for my case is in drive D, disk D, this one. So I already saved here student file names. Yeah, this is the file name. We already talked about this in the idle lecture. Okay, after we running, you see it shows this. Yeah, just like here. Okay, let's see another example about the complex number. Now we close this and maybe we open new file. See, we create a variable z containing the complex number, it including 3, the real number. Also, here's add. Here, for example, we use 5 is a real, but 5g is an imaginary number. We print this z, just z, or if you like, you can also write something like the complex number. Maybe we write this is a complex number. We use a space here, then comma, and we can also create one. We can create a complex number in this way. For example, we have x, 5, y, 3, and then we converting x and y into complex number. See? Then we print z. Yeah, maybe we copy this. Print here, maybe we change a name. We use C. Then we run the module. Run. It asks to see. For the first time, you see, we just choose the folder. Yeah, I choose the Python study here. This folder, I give a name, complex number. Let's see. Then it prints. You see, this is a complex number. 3 add 5g. You see, this is this one. We create from the real number x and y. Okay, thank you. See you in the next lecture.